2 students, same exam, same syllabus, same 24 hours. One ends the semester calm and ranking high. The other is tired, stressed, and always behind. The difference is not IQ, not talent, not even studying longer. The difference is how they study. In top competitive systems, students build small rituals that force the brain into focus and memory fast. Today, I will give you 7 secrets that make studying feel easier and results come quicker. And secret number 7 is the one that changes your discipline in a scary way. Quick challenge. Comment your current grade or your goal grade. A, B, C, or even failing. No shame. We are doing a glow-up together. Secret 1. The focus statement. Before you start, write 1 sentence only. Not study math. Say exactly what you will finish in the next 25 minutes. Example: I will solve 10 algebra questions and correct my mistakes. This is how you stop fake studying. Your brain becomes locked on one target. Secret 2. Visual memory swap. Stop trying to memorize boring words. Turn the idea into a simple image in your notebook. Biology becomes a tiny story. History becomes a mini scene. Even ugly drawings work because your brain remembers pictures better than paragraphs. Secret 3. The 2-page rule. 1 page is messy learning. 2nd page is clean, simplified summary in your own words. This forces understanding, not copying. Secret 4. The 5-minute recall. After every study block, close the book and write what you remember, not what you saw, what you can pull from memory. This is the fastest way to build exam power. Secret 5. Teach in 10 seconds. Pick 1 hard topic and explain it like you're teaching a little kid. If you cannot explain it simply, you still do not own it. This makes weak points show up immediately. And brew, this is where toppers are made, because they attack the weakness instead of running from it. Secret 6. Chain linking. Do not study topics like islands. Link them like a web. A math idea connects to physics. A reading skill connects to history answers. When you connect concepts, your memory becomes sticky. You stop forgetting after 2 days. Now, Secret 7. The night ritual. Not a magic hack, a system. Choose a fixed daily time window, even 60 minutes. Same place. Phone away. No negotiations. You show up every day like it is a training session. After 7 days, discipline becomes automatic. That is why it feels unfair. Because once you have the ritual, you win even on bad days. Now listen. You do not need motivation. You need a system. Start with only 2 secrets today: focus statement and 5-minute recall. Tomorrow add teach in 10 seconds. In 1 week, your confidence will change because you will finally feel control. If you want, comment the subject you struggle with most, and I will reply with a simple focus statement and an image idea for it. Save this video, share it with a friend who is stressed, and remember, top students are not special. They are consistent.